an update now on the death of Marcy Correctional inmate Robert Brooks. His death has now been ruled a homicide. 17 corrections officers and staff members are under investigation for the beating death. Carly Miner spoke with the attorney representing the Brooks family.
To beat a helpless person who's been restrained like that and to murder him is clearly, again, a wake-up call.
Attorney Stephen Schwartz tells me throughout his career, he's represented a fair number of prison cases in the courtroom.
But allegations of physical and emotional abuse, most of the time it's very difficult to prove those.
And now Schwartz is representing the family of Rochester native Robert Brooks, whose death has been ruled a homicide.
The cause of death was compression of the neck and blunt trauma injuries to the rest of the body. That is, again, very consistent with everything we see on the video of the body cam from the corrections officers.
The video shows Brooks suffering a brutal attack on December 9th, 2024, at the hands of several Marcy Correctional officers. He was beaten for nearly 10 minutes while handcuffed on a medical examination table. Brooks died the following day.
We have filed 2 cases, one in the federal court against the individuals involved, as well as a number of their supervisors, and one against the state of New York.
Brooks was incarcerated in 2017 after pleading guilty to felony assault after he stabbed his then-girlfriend several times in Greece. Brooks was halfway through his 12-year sentence when he was transferred from the Mohawk Correctional Facility to Marcy.
We don't believe that the majority of corrections officers behave this way, but there's a significant minority that do, and they need to be dealt with.
Governor Kathy Hochul says now that Brooks' death was ruled a homicide. She believes the legal process must quickly move forward, with criminal charges being filed and arrests being made. She says those responsible for the death of Mr. Brooks must be held accountable to the fullest extent of the law. And she says, quote, "I recognize the need to build an airtight prosecution to ensure those individuals are brought to justice," end quote.